how to do a running total. All you have to do is we have the amount column is in column C. Then we have a running total column is column D. So you click in cell D2 because that's where you want your first value to go. You type your equal sum, open parenthesis, and I want to use D1 is going to be the first value. And don't worry about that because it's going to just enter a 0 value because that's the very top that we're at on this on the chain here is D1. It's going to be 0, so don't worry about it. Then you're going to type a comma, and then you're going to click in cell C2. And that is your formula. Close the parenthesis, hit the enter key. First value is 250. You're going to click in cell D2, and you're going to go for your formula for your fill handle. And you're going to just click and drag your fill handle down, and it's going to just give you your running total right there. And you got to keep on going down, but you know. All right, I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Please leave your comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.